So let's begin with converting our some of the percentages to fraction, and this question is going to help you in solving exercise 8a question number 1. So we have to convert percentage as a fraction. Now we know that percentage is out of 100, so in order to express x percent, means any percent, as a fraction, we divide x by 100. So these are the percentages. We are going to divide all of them by 100 and see how we are going to obtain a answer and a fraction form. So let's take 88%. We can write down it as 88 divided by 100. Since we want to get this down in fraction, so division can be written as fraction as well. So it's going to be written as 88 upon 100. Now always remember, you are in a higher classes now. Whenever you get a fraction, try to reduce it to the smaller term, means simplify it. So they both can be simplified with each other. They goes by same table. So 2 and 4 both. So let's try with 4. 4 times 2 is 4. So 22, and 4 times 25 is 100. So it's 22 upon 25 is my answer. I cannot reduce this. They both don't go by the same table. So this is the answer. In a fraction, 88% can be written as 22 upon 5 as fraction. Let's do 5%. So 5% means 5 upon 5 divided by 100. I'm writing it down in this division as a fraction. Simplified, the both goes by same table, 5 times table. 5 ones as 5, 5 twos as 10, 5 zeros as 0. So it's going to be 1 upon 20. It cannot be simplified further. Now let's come to this one. It says 128%. 128% again divided by 100. We have to express this. We divide percentage by 100. So 128 divided by 100. Now the both goes by 4 table as well, 2 times table as well. Let's do it with 4. It will be 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 25 is, so it's going to be 32 upon 25. Now this is an improper fraction. We have to change this into a mixed number. Reducing means either reducing to the lowest term or changing into into mixed number. So improper fraction, 25 times 1 is 25. 7 is left, and upon 25. So this is my fraction. Now this one, 0.5 divide percent to fraction. 0.5 will be divided by, if you divide like this, we'll get the answer in decimal form, but we don't want decimals. So what we are going to do, we are going to write this down in a fraction form, and we want to get rid of this decimal. So we have to make this whole number. So when we move a decimal over here to make it a whole number, we add a 0 in denominator. So it's going to be 5 upon 1000. Now it can be reduced down, simplify. 5 ones as 5, 5 twos as 10, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. So it's going to be 1 upon 200. Now next question. It's an improper fraction. Improper fraction and percentage, 9 whole 2.3%. So I'm going to change that into a mixed number. Then let's see what is going to happen. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 2, 29. So it's going to be 29 upon 3. Now fraction, it's already in a fraction, but still I want to get rid of this percentage sign, and in order to get rid of percentage, I'm going to divide this with 100. Now I don't want this, it's not possible to divide these two, it will give me answer in decimal. So what I'll do is I'll change this division sign into a multiplication sign. And we have studied this in previous chapters, that when we change this sign into multiplication, we switch the position. See, there is 1 over here, imaginary, it will go up and this 100 will go down. So it will look like 1 upon 100. Now I can, now I'll see if I can simplify. 29 and 100 cannot be simplified. 3 and 29, 3 or 1. So I'm going to just simply multiply them. So 29 times 1 is 29 and 3 times 100 is 300. So that's it. This is the answer. It cannot be reduced further. Now the last question, it's 5.5%. Exactly like this, we are going to do the question. 5.5 upon or divided by 100. I want to get rid of decimal. I'm going to bring it down here. So if I move one decimal in numerator toward right, I'm going to add 1 0 in the denominator. So it will become, now it was 5.5, it will become now 55. 55 upon 1000. It goes by 5 times table. 5 1s as 5, 5 1s as 5, 5 2s as 10, 5 0s as 0, 5 0s as 0. So it's going to be 11 upon 200. Cannot reduce it further. So this is the answer. That's it for now.